Hello, my dear students. I am Ms. Munazza Sayyed. Welcome you to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. Today, I am going to teach you English subject of grade 2. So, children, in our last period, we have solved the check post 1. Okay. In that, I have given you the homework to make the sentences by using those 3 words. Okay. So, today, I am going to teach you an interesting story that you all will love. So, first of all, I'll ask you some question based on that. Okay. You have to tell me now which is the biggest sea animal. Can you name biggest sea animal? Who will tell me? Whale. Very good. So, children, do you know the specialities of whale? Whales can also talk to each other by making the whistling sound. Whistling sound means what, children? A sharp noise. Okay. So, making that sharp voice and the noise, the whales are talking to each other. So, today also we are going to learn an interesting story about the whale and whale's friend and the grandparent. Okay. So, the name of the lesson is lesson number 5 of English. I wish I small. I wish I was small. So, what we are going to see in this story is, first of all, there is a small baby whale. Baby whale means whale's baby. Okay. And her name is Kanani. We are going to learn the story about this Kanani, why she wished that she should be small. Now this sentence is by Kanani, that I wish I was small. Why she is thinking like this, children? Yes, now we'll see that. Open your Canopy textbook, page number 39 of English session. Yes. Repeat after me. Lesson number 5. I wish I was small. I wish I was small. W-I-S-H, wish. W-I-S-H, wish. I was small. S-M-A-double-L, small. I wish I was small. Here we have the warm-up, children. Look at these pictures. The blue whale is the largest animal in the world. So, which is the largest animal in the world? Blue whale is the largest animal in the world. Can you imagine? The blue whale is as long as 3 big buses. Just imagine the big buses in front of you, children. Okay. Means how can be the big bus? Ekdam badi bus. Okay. Imagine those buses. First of all, one single bus, and adding those big buses 1, 2 and 3. The blue whale is as long as those buses, those 3 big buses, and we will look very small in front of the fish, in front of the blue whale. Now, read a story about a whale who wanted to be small. Now, as the name of the lesson is, I wish I was small. Now, the whale is wishing that she should be small. As the fact is, whale is the biggest animal, the largest animal in the world. But that whale, she wants to be small. So, there might be something serious reason. So, we are going to see that. Do her wishes come true in the end? That we are going to see. So, now I am going to read the story. Once upon a time, a baby whale called Kanani lived in the ocean. Ocean means what? Big sea. Okay. Once upon a time, a baby whale called Kanani lived in the ocean. She wanted to be small like her friend Leela, the clownfish. Now, the baby whale's name is Kanani, but she wanted to be small like her friend. Her friend's name is Leela, Lila, Leela. And who is Leela, children? The clownfish. Who is Leela? The clownfish. CLOWN, clone, FISH, fish. Clownfish means what, children? A kind of a small fish with bright colors like a clone. Means a small fish with bright colors. See, you can see this clownfish Leela is yellow in color, bright in color, and she is small. So, baby whale called Kanani, she wanted to be small, same like her friend Leela. And who was Leela? The clownfish. Hi Leela. Here, first of all, clownfish. Leela is asking to Kanani, hello Kanani, how are you? So as they both are friends, when meeting, they are greeting to each other, they are asking how they are. Okay, so what Leela said, hello Kanani, how are you? So what Kanani replied, hi Leela, I am fine. It's so nice to see you. So Kanani was happy to see Leela. Then next, we have to turn the page. Turn the page, children. So when they greeted each other, when they met each other, who? Leela and Kanani. Then next, suddenly they saw their friend. Suddenly they saw their friend Vala the pelican. Who is their friend? Vala. The friend's name is Vala the pelican. Now what do you mean by pelican? A large bird that lives near water. Pelican means a large bird. Okay. What do you mean by pelican? A large bird who lives near the water. So suddenly, here you can see in this picture, suddenly what happened? They saw their friend. Whose friend? Leela's and Kanani's friend. Vala the pelican. What did Vala say to them then? The whale hunters are coming. You must hide. Quick, quick, they were telling. The whale hunters, Hunters, hunters. The whale hunters are coming. You must hide. Quick, quick. Hunters means what, children? The people who kill animals and birds. Okay. The people who kill animals and birds. So, when Vala came to Leela and Kanani, he was very much in hurry and he was telling to Kanani that whale hunters are coming. Means, जो whales को पकड़ने वाले होते हैं. Okay. So, the whale hunters are coming. You must hide. HIDE, hide. Hide मतलब क्या? छुप जाना. Okay. Quick, quick. Quick means what? जल्दी एकदम. So what Kanani replied to Vala? Thank you for warning us, Vala. So Kanani said, thank you very much, Vala, for warning us. Warning us means to give the intimation or the prior information about the whales hunter are coming. So now Kanani was in tension, as she is the baby whale and the whale hunters are going to come. Kanani was so worried. So what Kanani did, she was worried and now she is asking, what shall I do? Where can I hide? Is there any big place where I can hide to? So Kanani was a big whale. So what Kanani now, she is thinking a lot that what can I do? Where can I hide? Is there any big place where I can hide to? Now Kanani was so big, so she was worried that where she can hide herself. So Leela the clownfish, she said, I have an idea. Follow me into my cave. So this, you can see, this is Leela's cave. So what Leela said, I have an idea. Follow me into my cave. Follow means what? Going after someone. Okay? Leela swam into her deep and dark cave. So what Leela did? First Leela went in the cave, and the cave was so deep and dark. Next, Kanani pushed and pushed, but only the tip of her tail could go into the cave. So, when Leela enters in her cave, after Leela, Kanani was following to Leela. So what Kanani did, Kanani pushed and pushed. She was trying very hard to go inside the Leela's cave, but only the tip of her tail means only her tail can go inside the cave. Kanani was stuck. S-T-U-C-K, stuck. Stuck meaning what here, children? Stuck means फंस जाना. Okay. So you can see in this picture now Kanani is totally stuck in the cave. फंस गई है वो. Okay. Then Kanani began to cry. As she was unable to hide herself, what Kanani did? Then Kanani was started crying. Then here Kanani is telling, oh no, I'm so big, I can be seen from far away. How I wish I was small. So here Kanani said that, oh no, means while crying only she is telling, oh no, I'm so big, I can be seen from far away. So as Kanani was unable to hide herself in Leela's cave, so what happened? Kanani was started crying and she is telling, oh no, I'm so big, I can't hide anywhere and I can be seen from far away. मतलब बहुत दूर से देखने के बाद भी we can see Kanani. So now what Kanani is wishing here? How I wish I was small. So now Kanani is thinking, if I would be small, I can hide anywhere, even in Leela's cave also. Just then, Cain, a big grandfather whale, swam up to Kanani. Now, who is big grandfather whale here? He is the big grandfather whale. His name is Cain. K-E-N-E, Cain. And who is Cain? Kanani's grandfather. We have on the other page the next dialogues. So what grandfather Cain telling to Kanani here? He is telling, don't cry Kanani. People stopped hunting whales a long time ago. They now come in boats to watch us play in the ocean. They tell stories about us, the biggest creatures in the world. So, after listening all these dialogues, grandfather Cain is telling to Kanani that, don't cry, Kanani. People stopped hunting whales a long time ago. बहुत पहले, what happened now? A long time ago, people stopped hunting whales. Means they are not killing the whales now. They now come in boats to watch us play in the ocean. As the whales are playing in the oceans, what they are doing? They are coming in the boats and they are watching them. They tell stories about us. So what grandfather Cain telling here? They tell stories about us. Us means who here? The whales. The biggest creatures in the world. Creatures. C-R-E-A-T-U-R-E-S. Creatures. Creatures means who? Animal. Next, now grandfather Cain is showing to Kanani, look there, see, those people love us. Now you can see some people are here in the boat and they are clicking the photos, they are enjoying how the whales are jumping, playing. So grandfather Cain is showing to Kanani, just look at the people, how nicely they are watching at us, they are looking at us, they are clicking the photos. So those people love us. Then Kanani was very happy to hear this. So after listening all these things that the people had stopped hunting the whales, so now Kanani is very happy that those people will not hunt me. Now Kanani is telling, thank you grandfather Cain, you have shown me how wonderful it is to be big. So for what reason Kanani is thanking grandfather Cain now? That the grandfather Cain shown her how wonderful it is to be big. I don't want to be small anymore. So as Kanani, so now as grandfather Cain has guided the little baby whale Kanani, that the whale hunters has stopped hunting the whales now. So now Kanani is very happy to hear this. Even if we are afraiding something, और अगर हमें वो पता चलता है कि that thing will not repeat, so we will be also happy. In the same way, the baby whale Kanani was very happy. So what she replied to grandfather Cain? Thank you, grandfather Cain. You have shown me how wonderful it is to be big. So as Kanani have the different place and the different importance that she is the biggest and the whales are the biggest creature in the world. So Kanani is thanking now grandfather Cain that thank you for showing me how wonderful it is to be big. I don't want to be small anymore. See children, now how the thought has been changed. Now Kanani don't want to be small. But whereas when the whale hunters were coming and she was unable to hide in Leela's cave, Kanani at that time she thought that she should small. But when she came to know that the whale hunters are stopped hunting the whales now, and they are coming in the boats. You can see here. They are coming in the boats and they are watching us how we are playing in the oceans. When they came to know that at that time Kanani, now she don't want to be small anymore. Then now see how beautifully Kanani is jumping here, and she is telling that now I want to be the biggest whale in the world. So as Kanani was happy, and now she is willing to be the biggest whale in the world. Okay. Do you like this story, children? Did you like this story? Yes, na? Good. Now I will show you the animation. Just a minute, wait.
I wish I was small. Once upon a time, a baby whale called Kanani lived in the ocean. She wanted to be small like her friend Leela the clownfish. Hello Kanani, how are you? Hi Leela, I'm fine. It is so nice to see you. Suddenly, they saw their friend Vala the pelican. The whale hunters are coming. You must hide. Quick, quick. Thank you for warning us, Vala. What shall I do? Where can I hide? Is there any big place where I can hide to? I have an idea. Follow me into my cave. Nobody will find you there. Leela swam into her deep and dark cave. Kanani pushed and pushed, but only the tip of her tail could go into the cave. Kanani was stuck. Kanani began to cry. Oh no, I'm so big. I can be seen from far away. How I wish I was small. Just then came a big grandfather whale swam up to Kanani. Don't cry, Kanani. People stopped hunting whales a long time ago. They now come in boats to watch us play in the ocean. They tell stories about us, the biggest creatures in the world. Look there. See? Those people love us. Kanani was very happy to hear this. Thank you, Grandfather King. You have shown me how wonderful it is to be big. I don't want to be small anymore. Now I want to be the biggest whale in the world.
How was the animation, children? Did you like this? No? Means you all love this. Okay. Shall I play one more time?
I wish I was small. Once upon a time, a baby whale called Kanani lived in the ocean. She wanted to be small like her friend Leela the clownfish. Hello Kanani, how are you? Hi Leela, I'm fine. It is so nice to see you. Suddenly, they saw their friend Vala the pelican. The whale hunters are coming. You must hide. Quick, quick. Thank you for warning us, Vala. What shall I do? Where can I hide? Is there any big place where I can hide to? I have an idea. Follow me into my cave. Nobody will find you there. Leela swam into her deep and dark cave. Kanani pushed whales a long time ago. They now come in boats to watch us play in the ocean. They tell stories about us, the biggest creatures in the world. Look there. See, those people love us. Kanani was very happy to hear this. Thank you, Grandfather Kane. You have shown me how wonderful it is to be big. I don't want to be small anymore. Now I want to be the biggest whale in the world.
When Kanani came to know that the whale hunters will not hunt them and they love to see how the whales are playing in the oceans and they wanted to see that the biggest creature in the world, knowing all these things, Kanani was very happy. Now she is telling that she don't want to be small anymore and she wanted to be the biggest whale in the world. Now we have the presentation that we'll see. Talking animals. As I said you in the starting of this period, they are the talking animals. So beautiful this, isn't it, children? A white whale is called a beluga. Belugas are very friendly. They can even talk. They can also make whistling sound like birds. So these are the white whale. They are called beluga and they are very much friendly. They can even talk, children, by making the whistling sound, means the sharp sound. In 1984, Nock, a beluga whale in a zoo in Canada, learned to copy the way humans talk just by listening to the people who looked after him. So in 1984, this white beluga, it tried to copy the way we are talking, means the humans are talking, by listening. But how she learned that by listening, but those people who looked after him, those people who were taking care of him, she came to learn from them. Kosik is a male Indian elephant in the zoo in South Korea. He can imitate the Korean words for yes, no, sit, lie down, and 4 other words. He makes the sounds by putting his trunk in his mouth and shaking it while breathing out. So the elephant can also make a sound by putting his trunk in his mouth. He will put his trunk in his mouth and he will shake it while breathing and it will make a noise. Alex, the African grey parrot. Wow, this is a parrot, children. African grey parrot was known as the most famous talking bird in the world. He could speak more than 100 English words. He could also spot different colors and shapes. Question time. If animals could talk and understand you, what would you say them, children? If animals are understanding our language and if they know, if they can talk you, if they can understand you, what would you say them, children? Will you ask about their favorite food? About their favorite color? Yes, about their friends? Different question by everyone. See this. Beluga, the white whale. Here we have picture gallery. Whales of the world. killer whale. The name of this whale is killer whale. Sperm whale. Beluga whale. Humpback whale. Blue whale. Brady's whale. Baleen whale. So these were the different kinds of whales in the world. Now just we will revise this question and answer orally. Who was Kanani? Answer this question. Who was Kanani, children? Kanani was a big fish, right? Then, who was Kanani? Kanani was a baby whale. What did she want to be? What Kanani wanted to be? Kanani wanted to be small like her friend Leela the clownfish. Second one, what did Vala warn Kanani about? So in the story we know that Vala suddenly he came and he warned something. He warned Kanani about something. What was that thing? Vala warned Kanani that the whale hunters were coming and asked her to hide somewhere. Third one, how did Leela help Kanani? Now, how the clownfish Leela helped Kanani? In which way? Leela went to hide in her cave. She asked Kanani to hide in the dark cave with her so that nobody can see Kanani. Fourth one, why did Kanani start crying? Kanani started crying because she was too big to hide inside Leela's cave. She tried hard but she could only get her the tail inside the cave. Last one. What did Grandfather Cain tell Kanani? Grandfather Cain told Kanani that people stopped hunting whale a long time ago. They now like to watch whales and tell stories about them. So, in this way we have learnt and we have saw the beautiful conversation and interesting about the whale, clownfish and Vala. Who was Vala? The pelican. Vala was a friend of Kanani and Leela, and about the grandfather. And we came to know that whales are very friendly and they are the largest animal in the world. So your today's homework is you have to do this conversation with your friend. Then one can be the grandfather and one will be Kanani and Vala. You can play a small drama at your home. Okay? Thank you.